Good morning, everyone. It is bright and early. After a late night at Epcot last night, I woke up bright and early to get over to the Magic Kingdom to start the festivities off for the 4th of July. Later on this afternoon, Candy and I believe Kiki are going to join me. But we are on the Richard F. Irving and headed to the Magic Kingdom. And at 10 or 10:30, I've heard two different times, it's supposed to be a flyover over the castle, so I'm pretty excited about that. Happy 4th of July to everyone. Happy 250th, America. And let's get the day started. Let's celebrate and let's have fun. Over to the curb for me, guys. How cool was that? So I've been coming here for well over 10 years now, probably close to 20. And I've never got to ride on the horse and trolley. So that was extra special to start the 4th of July off. Got to ride from the train station all the way up Main Street to the castle right there. That was magical. Dapper Dans are out getting photos with everyone, so never seen them do that before, so you know what, let's go do something else we've never done before and see if we can get a photo with Dapper Dan's. I have a feeling this is going to be a wonderful day. Actually, I know it's going to be a wonderful day because we're going to make it a wonderful day. All right, the Dapper Dans are gone already, which makes sense. I didn't figure they'd be there too long with the heat. But I have never got to ride the double-decker Main Street Transportation Company vehicle either. So, you know what? Today might be the day. Let's knock two things off that we've never done before, if possible. We'll walk over here, see if we can get on if they're making one more run. If so, what a magical start to the day. Kind of sad Candy isn't here with me. She doesn't do good on a little bit of sleep, so I'm getting in late and getting to bed around 1 a.m. There's no way she was getting up to make it this early in the morning, but I sure am glad I did. She just informed us she can't go back up because there's too many people in the road, so, but no big loss. I don't care. We got to ride the horse and carriage up. That was more than enough magic for this morning. So now we're just gonna hang out and wait for the flyover, which you can see they got people all over up here and over here already starting to stage up, find their spots for the flyover. So I think it's time we do the same.
Oh, yeah, I've got a great one picked out. I got the blues, red belly, let me line the San Francisco Bay.
HH-60 Jolly Green 2 helicopters, flown by the 301st Rescue Squadron, part of the 920th Rescue Wing, from Patrick Space Force Base here in Florida. In just a few minutes, making one pass high above Cinderella Castle, the Magic Kingdom is proud to present the United States Air Force. Magic Kingdom guests, happy 4th of July. It's time. The massive aircraft leading today's flyover is the Combat King 2, a flying command post that can refuel helicopters in mid-air under total cover of darkness. Right beside it are two of the Air Force's newest rescue helicopters, the Jolly Green 2, named in honor of the legendary crews who braved the jungles of Vietnam to save downed pilots. This rousing flyover celebrating America's 250th anniversary is just moments away.
Crowd level today is kind of crazy, so I'm sure it's going to get worse as the day goes on, but I am going to exit Magic Kingdom and head over to Epcot. I got a few things I didn't get accomplished yesterday, so I don't like not completing a mission, so I'm going to go try to complete those right now. So let's go see if we can get it done. Okay, so that was Mickey, Pluto, and Goofy in their colonial outfits. Really wanted to get pictures taken with them. They only do it usually one day a year, but for the 250th they're doing it for 3 days. But it is not even noon yet, and the wait time is up to 4 hours. So, depending on if I can get my butt up early enough tomorrow, I might come over and try to get some photos with them. Rope drop. I just don't have it in me to stand in line for 4 hours to meet the characters. Really wanted to, but I don't want to waste, a third of my day at the parks doing so. So at least we got to, get that cool little film clip. Goofy even waved at us, a little kiss. So that was cool. That was awesome. That being said, it is getting close to lunchtime. I've had very little caffeine, so I am gonna head to my secret spot to get a Red Bull. It's the only spot on Disney property you can buy Red Bull. So I'm gonna do that, probably get a bite to eat. Then I'm gonna head back to the house, grab candy, and get this evening's festivities underway. So that's what's on the docket for us. Happy 4th of July, everyone. So you go to the Swan Fountain, you go right, and the Java Coffee Eats and Sweets. This is the only place on Disney property where you can get your fix of Red Bull. And if you're like me, it's a very, very good thing to know. So I know we're celebrating 4th of July today and everything American and all, but wanted something, a cool treat to cool down, something easy to eat, something relatively cheap. So I went to Japan and got this ice cream waffle. I've heard these things are amazing. I've never had one. Only $4.50. So they're called frozen wafer sandwiches. That's really good. Kind of like a really thin waffle. It was like a wafer waffle. Then it's got like a thin, crispy layer of chocolate in it and vanilla ice cream. So yeah, for $4.50, this might be a bargain of the part. Alright, I'm gonna head home, make 4th of July lunch, eat with Candy and the kids, and then load up with whoever's coming with me, and we'll head back to Magic Kingdom for this evening. I'm back, and I got candy. Went home, ate. Kiki said, nah, I'm not gonna go. So Me and Candy are here, and we are going to enjoy the fireworks and the celebrations that they have going on today. So we're set up, getting ready to film the fireworks at the Magic Kingdom, and I look up, and there's a rainbow. Where you at, rainbow? I don't know if it's visible on here. I think it is. And there he goes. Rainbow right over Magic Kingdom.
Under velvet skies of midnight blue, castle towers glowing, dreams come true. Sparks ignite the summer air, Magic Kingdom beyond compare. Heartbeats rising with the crowd, anticipation singing loud. Explode into the night, paint the heavens bright, fireworks of freedom burning through the sky. Golden showers, crimson power, let the magic fly.
this guy's favorite. Oh my god.
Okay, so that was the fireworks from the Magic Kingdom for the 4th of July show. It was good. I think I like Epcot's better. Epcot's easier to view. So it was literally, like they said, it's 360. It's behind you, in front of you, beside you. So it's a little hard to see it all. It's first time here for it, so we didn't know exactly what to expect or where to set up. A cast member suggested we set up behind Prince Charming's carousel, so that's what we did. It was a good spot, good castle view, good side view. Candy notices little squirrels, and if I don't show you, she's gonna probably yell at me because she says they're so cute. They're on the pillar at the archway in Fantasyland, so yeah, little squirrels. They're cute. Candy likes them. And then there's the red, white, and blue castle. It's lit back up, patriotic. The park's open till midnight. It's only like 9:30, so we're gonna hang out for a while. We're in no rush to leave. We're not gonna fight the crowd. Probably try to get in some rides. Maybe eat some food. And just enjoy the rest of the night. So let's go have some fun. Castle party is in full swing again. Up in front they got a DJ pumping out tunes, which YouTube does not allow us to have on our videos, so we're not up there. We will later, and we'll just swap the music to our music that we make. So, but yeah, pretty nice view from the castle, all lit up with the lights swinging back and forth. All the kids are dancing over at the little party in Tomorrowland. Tomorrow's the last day for this iteration of Carousel of Progress, so we figure might as well take one last ride before they update it and renew it. So let's go check it out.
Yeah, it looks like the Robins are getting ready to celebrate Valentine's Day today. What year is it? Oh, right around the turn of the century. And believe me, things couldn't be any better than they are today. Yes, sir, buildings are towering now as high as 20 stories. And moving pictures flicker up on a big screen. We have almost 8,000 automobiles in this country, and we can travel by train from New York to California in less than 7 days. And I even hear tell about two brothers from North Carolina who are working on some kind of flying contraption. It'll never work. Closer to home, we've now got gas lamps, a telephone, and the latest design in cast iron stove. And that reservoir keeps 5 gallons of water hot and just 3 buckets of coal. Oh, boy, it sure beats chopping wood. And isn't our new ice box a beauty? Look at that. Holds 50 pounds of ice. Milk doesn't sour as quick as it used to. And our dog Rover here keeps the water in the drip pan from overflowing. It wasn't too long ago we had to carry water from a well. And thanks to Progress, we've got a pump right here in the kitchen. Of course, we keep a bucket of water handy to prime it with. Yes, sir, we've got everything we need to make life easier.
Phew, boy, hottest 4th of July we've had in years. We've come a long way, though, since the turn of the century, over 20-some-odd years ago. You know that pilot fella, Charles Lindbergh? He's about to fly a single-wing airplane all the way across the Atlantic. He's never going to make it. And sports stadiums are springing up all over. And boy, nobody hits that old horsehide like that new fella Babe Ruth. Jazz music as the cats meow. And there's been ads in the paper for months for a movie starring Al Jolson. And he's going to talk and sing. Oh, boy, I've got to see that. There goes Schwartz in his upmobile. He sure loves that horn. You know, in my new Essex, I've got an electric starter. Now I don't have to crank. We can travel from New York to Los Angeles by train in only 3 days. And we've got a house full of new electrical servants. Mr. Edison sure added life to our home. Whoa there, you'll blow a fuse. Well, it's another Halloween here in the fabulous 40s. Everything is better than ever now, and we've got some amazing new wonders around the house to prove it. For instance, our refrigerator holds more food and ice cubes, and thanks to our automatic dishwasher, I don't have to dry the dishes anymore after supper. Gives Rover and me more time to enjoy our evening stroll together. Later, boy. Oh, and here's something else that's new. I just heard a new term today on the radio. Fella says we've got something now called the rat race. Did you ever hear that one? It sure describes my life. I'm involved in something now called commuting. I drive into the city for work all day and then turn right around and drive all the way back. And the highway is crowded with fellow rats doing the same thing.
That's what they call progress, dear.
Yeah, I guess she's right.
Turkey's in the oven, it's peaceful and quiet.
Yes! 300 points, my best score yet.
Well, it was peaceful until Santa brought that new virtual reality space pilot game.
Your turn, Grandma. Let's switch the image over to the TV so the resident flying ace can show you how it works. Now, it's a little tricky. Just use your game glove to fly behind the other guy and blast him with your laser blaster.
Laser blaster? Well, I'll give it a try.
Take a look around, Grandma. You're in the ship.
Feels like I'm really there.
Okay, get ready. You're about to blast off.
Here goes nothing. Whoa.
All right, here it comes. Oh, you missed him.
Hey, everybody, I'm done programming our new voice activation system.
Now all our household items will do anything we tell them to do.
Great. Tell the refrigerator to bring me a root beer.
Well, it can't quite do that. But I'll show you something it can do. Tree lights 30% brighter.
Oh, that's no big deal. Anybody can do that voice-activated stuff. Watch this. Rover, speak.
John, the oven should respond to your voice commands now. Give it a try.
Oh, okay. Here goes. Temperature to 375.
Look at that. It even talks back.
Reminds me of certain people I know.
Yeah, right, Dad.
You gotta lose him, Grandma. Bank to the right.
Remember Dad's turkey last year?
Yeah, that thing really smoked up the place when it burned, didn't it?
We ended up microwaving frozen pizzas.
So it's a little sad that they're going to change Carousel of Progress, but it is due for an update. So at the same time, I'm really looking forward to seeing what the next iteration is. And we got footage of the whole ride, so we'll try to do a comparison video when the new one opens up. But we're going to try to find something to eat now. And as we're walking to Main Street, they got the Starlight Parade going. There's Peter and Wendy flying. I was a little close for comfort. So, yeah, we weren't really trying to catch a parade. I didn't even know what was going on tonight out this late. So, it's 10:30. But since we saw it, figure I'd show the last couple floats in it. Now we're gonna go try to find a bite to eat, and then probably catch a couple more rides before we call it a night. Got to ride the horse and trolley up Main Street. That was just pure magic. So that was the highlight of my day, highlight of my week. We were walking by the fountain and noticed it was all lit up red, white, and blue. That's pretty cool. I didn't notice that earlier. And then we go over to the castle. It's all star spangled. That's pretty cool. Here's a better shot of the castle. Yeah. That is cool. Yeah. We were gonna go to Casey's because can't really think of a food that's more American than hot dogs, but can't even get over there because the path is so packed. So I think we're gonna go grab a bite to eat somewhere else, and then yeah. We got another DJ over here by the Country Bears, and they're jamming with lights and music and lasers, and definitely doesn't fit the Country Bears theme. So we just rode Pirates, which is one of my favorite rides. But what I'm super impressed with, I've only had this camera for 2 days. I just started filming with it halfway through the day, a day and a half really, halfway through the video yesterday. I got this, and the low light and the zoom on this thing is just nuts. Like, you can get right up on the pirate.
My resources.
So yeah, I'm super impressed. We were just playing with it on some of the dark rides. We filmed most of them before, so wasn't really gonna film them, but everything was so visible, like that you can't normally see. So we might do a test with this thing, and in the upcoming weeks go and just see how many dark rides we can film and see how they come out. If that's something you guys would be interested in, let us know in the comments. If you'd like to see a video full of dark rides, see if we can get some high quality footage in there. This thing does amazing in low light, so I think it'd be kind of cool to see and kind of cool to do. So it's something we're thinking about. So give us your feedback. Let us know what you guys think.
Somebody was in this chair because it's toasty warm.
So we ended up getting the most American thing we could find. Hot dogs and french fries.
Corn dogs.
Mini corn dogs. They're the bomb. We're gonna eat these corn dogs and probably get out of here because it said there's another parade at midnight. The last thing I want to do is get stuck behind the parade. So it's been a long day. I was here at roughly 8:30 and it is now what, 11:30?
Yeah.
So 8:30 in the morning to 11:30. Yeah. It's been a long day. I'm gonna try to hit it early tomorrow. So we're gonna enjoy these. See you in a bit. One more view down Main Street with the castle all lit up. Our day is coming to an end because it is now officially tomorrow. So I started at 8 a.m. and I didn't quit. Happy 4th of July to everybody. Hope you had a wonderful day. Hope it was full of love, family, and making memories. Until the next one, peace, love, and happiness. See you next time. Bye.
Waves are crashing, sun's going down. Life of Brian, thanks for hanging around. Brian's live with Candy and the fam, surfing through this life, saying see ya again.